In this video, you'll learn how to use intelligent agents to automate communication with learners based on criteria you set. Agents can track things like login activity, course activity, and release conditions in Brightspace. Use the Intelligent Agents tool to personalize learning support, improve learner engagement and outcomes, and increase retention in your course. For example, you can send welcome messages, remind learners about missed submissions, notify learners about low grades, identify users who haven't logged in recently. When creating an intelligent agent, you need to determine 3 key elements: what criteria the agent looks for, what message it sends, and how often it runs. If you cannot find intelligent agents in your Brightspace instance, contact your organization administrator to obtain the required permissions. To access intelligent agents, go to Course Admin and click Intelligent Agents. The agent list page shows all your agents. From here, you can create new agents, edit them, or manage existing ones. You can also enable, disable, delete, or bulk edit agents. Use the View option to filter by category or status. Each agent has a drop-down menu for quick edits. Under More Actions, you can restore deleted agents or export agent history. Let's create an agent to send a welcome message. To begin, click New Agent, then enter a name and optionally a description. You can also assign a category. Under Status, Select Agent is enabled to enable the agent upon creation. In scheduling, choose a frequency. We'll select daily and set it to repeat every 1 day at 9 a.m. Set your start and end dates. For this example, we'll start 1 day before the course begins and continue for 7 days after. Under Criteria, select users with specific roles. Then choose student or learner based on your institution's terminology. Now open the Actions section. Select Take action only the first time the agent's criteria are satisfied for a user. Also, select Send an email when the criteria are satisfied. Use the What special email address can I use link to insert replacement strings. We'll use the Initiating User string in the To field. Add your subject and message using replacement strings to personalize the email and reduce editing effort when copying agents between courses. When you're done, click Save and Close. Now, your agent automatically sends welcome messages to help learners get started and stay engaged. A practice run allows you to see exactly which users your agent would identify without sending any messages. Go to Course Admin Intelligent Agents, find your agent, open the drop-down, and select Practice Run. A confirmation dialog appears. Click Run, then Done. Refresh the page to view the results and select the link to see which users were identified. Now let's create an agent for missed quiz submissions. Start by creating a new agent, just like before. Under Scheduling, choose a one-time run and set it for after the quiz due date, typically the next morning. Under Criteria, select the appropriate learner role based on your organization's terminology. To create a release condition, go to Release Conditions and click Create. Choose No Completed Quiz Attempt under Quizzes. Select the specific quiz. Click Create. In Actions, select Take action only the first time the agent's criteria are satisfied for a user. And add your email message. Ensure the agent is enabled. Then click Save and Close. Now your agent automatically reminds learners about missed quizzes, helping them stay on track. Let's create an agent to identify learners who haven't accessed the course recently. Start by creating a new agent just like before. In Scheduling, set the agent to run daily at your preferred time. Next, go to the Criteria section and select the appropriate learner role based on your organization's terminology. Under Take action on activity, select user has not accessed the course in the last, then enter the number of days a learner can be inactive before the agent is triggered. Now open the Actions section. Select Take Action every time the agent is evaluated and the criteria are satisfied. Also, select Send an email when the criteria are satisfied. In the To field, use the replacement string, initiating user auditors. This sends the notification to users who can monitor learner progress, such as instructors or auditors. Add a clear subject and message explaining why the learner was flagged. You can also use replacement strings to include details like the learner's name, course, and last access date. Click Save and Close. Now your agent automatically alerts you when learners are inactive, so you can follow up and offer support. Now you know how to create intelligent agents to automate course communication. Thank you for watching.